things that's available. To begin with, I am starting with the salient features of the Indian Constitution, and then I'm going to read through this, or just to have a bird's eye of all the material that's been given. Difference between parliamentary and presidential form. Why has India adopted the parliamentary form of government? Pros and cons of parliamentary form of government. Citizenship. What are the pros and cons of basic structure doctrine? Define of state under Article 12. Fundamental rights. Interpretation of the terms law and loss of force as a definition. Important points of Article 14. Parts of Article 14, interpretation of Article 14 by courts, importance of Article 14, Article 15, Article 19, 20, 21, significance of 23 and 24 articles in the Indian Constitution, 26, culture and educational rights, Article 29 and 30, Article 31A and 31C, types of writs, characteristics of bill, directive principles of state policy. What are the difference between the FRs and DSPs, nature of fundamental duties, doctrine of separation of powers, precedent, ninth schedule, significance of the office of Lokpal and Lokayuktas, definition of state union, definition of state under Article 12, onboarding session, introduction of constitutional law, history and features of constitution, territory and citizenship under constitution, preamble and part 1 and 2 of constitution, discussion on CAA, introduction of fundamental rights. So these are all the videos. Fundamental rights part 1, fundamental rights part 2, student driven discussion on judicial review, amendment. These are all there on the YouTube. Actually, you can also go through this. That's the reason I'm showing you the side heading, such that you can actually search in the YouTube. And I'm going to do the practical test 1, 2 and online exercises also. Then I will go through the analysis of freedom of speech and da 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 da. So these are all the side. So these are all the things that I'm going to study, and they have the material given. So this is what I am going to study today.